Let us continue. Question number 7. Obtain a sample of rainwater, add to it a few drops of universal indicator. Measure its pH, describe the nature of sample of rainwater and explain the effect of it has on the living world. pH of rainwater has to be measured, and what is the effect of acid rain on living world, that has to be discussed. Using universal indicator, the pH of rainwater is between 5 and 5.5. This indicates that rainwater is slightly acidic in nature. Acid rain directly affects the groundwater as well as other water bodies. Acid rain causes serious damage to human respiratory system if inhaled deeply. It decreases oxygen in the blood supply, which eventually damages the heart. It also damages buildings and other structures made up of stone or metal. Acid rain leaches calcium out of soil. Decreased calcium affects plant life. Weakened plant life cannot tolerate extreme temperature or fight off insects and diseases. Animals that cannot withstand such imbalance fail to reproduce, become deformed due to bone decalcification, fail to grow normally, or even may die. Classify the acids according to their basicity and give one example of each type. The number of H plus ions obtained by the dissociation of one molecule of an acid is called its basicity. Monobasic acid examples are hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Because here only one single H plus ion is obtained by the dissociation of one molecule of an acid. Dibasic acid, sulfuric acid and carbonic acid. Here two H plus ions are obtained by dissociation of one molecule of sulfuric acid and carbonic acid. Tribasic acid examples are boric acid H3BO3 and phosphoric acid H3PO4. Here three H plus ions are obtained by dissociation of one molecule of boric acid and phosphoric acid. What is meant by neutralization? Give two examples from everyday life of the neutralization reaction. In neutralization reaction, an acid reacts with a base to form salt and water. In neutralization reaction, the acid dissociates to form H plus ions and the base dissociates to form OH minus ions. They combine to form water molecules which mix with the solvent. Examples in daily life. When people suffer from acidity, they take some antacid to neutralize the acid in their stomach. When an ant stings us, the pain is due to formic acid. It is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, which is basic in nature. Explain what is meant by electrolysis of water. Write the electrode reactions and explain them. Electrolysis of water is the decomposition of water into oxygen and hydrogen gas due to electric current passed through acidified water. The reactions are mentioned here. You can write down. It is found in the above activity that the volume of the gas formed near the cathode is double that of the gas formed near the anode. Cathode is a negative electrode. Hydrogen gas is formed at cathode, and anode is a positive electrode, and at anode oxygen gas is collected. And it is found that hydrogen gas is formed near the cathode and oxygen gas near the anode, and from this it is clear that electrolysis of water has taken place and its constituent elements have been released. Give reason for the following. Hydronium ions are always in the form of H3O plus. Acid in water gives H plus ions. These ions do not exist freely in water. This is because H plus is a single proton. A hydrogen atom has only one proton and only one electron. If the electron is removed to make H plus ion, all that is left is an extremely tiny positively charged nucleus. This H plus ion will immediately combine with surrounding water molecule H2O to form hydronium ion. H3O plus. Buttermilk spoils if kept in a copper or brass container. Buttermilk contains an organic acid called as lactic acid. The lactic acid reacts with copper or brass and forms toxic compounds which are not fit for consumption. They are harmful and they cause food poisoning. So buttermilk gets spoiled if kept in a copper or brass container. Write the chemical reactions for the following activities. NaOH aqueous plus HCl aqueous gives NaCl aqueous plus H2O. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride and water. Zinc dust was added to dilute sulfuric acid. Zinc dust plus H2SO4 aqueous gives ZnSO4, that is zinc sulfate, and hydrogen gas is released. Dilute nitric acid was added to calcium oxide. CaO plus twice HNO3 nitric acid gives calcium nitrate, that is CaNO3 twice plus water. Carbon dioxide gas was passed through potassium hydroxide solution. CO2 gas plus twice KOH potassium hydroxide gives potassium carbonate K2CO3 aqueous plus H2O liquid. Dilute HCl was poured on baking soda. NaHCO3 baking soda plus hydrochloric acid HCl gives NaCl sodium chloride plus CO2 gas is released plus water liquid. Write down all these reactions, and below that molecular formula you can write the name of that compound. For example, HCl hydrochloric acid plus NaOH sodium hydroxide gives NaCl sodium chloride plus H2O water. Question number 11. State the differences acids and bases. Make two separate columns and write down the difference between acids and bases. Acids are sour to taste, bases are bitter to taste. Acids contain H plus as a basic radical, bases contain OH minus ion as an acidic radical. Acid turns blue litmus red, bases turn red litmus blue. pH value of acidic solution is less than 7, pH value of basic solution is more than 7. Examples of acids are HCl, H2SO4, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, etc. Example of bases are sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide. Cation and anion. Difference between cation and anion. Cation is a positive ion, anion is a negative ion. Cation is also known as basic radical, anion is also known as acidic radical. Cation is formed when a neutral atom donates electron. Anion is formed when a neutral atom gains electron. During electrolysis, cations are attracted towards cathode, negative electrode. During electrolysis, anions are attracted towards anode, that is positive electrode, and examples are mentioned here. Negative electrode and positive electrode. The electrode connected to the negative terminal of a battery in an electric circuit is called as negative electrode. The electrode connected to the positive terminal of a battery in an electric circuit is called as positive electrode. Negative electrode attracts positively charged ions, that is cations are attracted towards negative electrode, and positive electrode attracts negatively charged ions, means anions are attracted towards positive electrode. Classify aqueous solutions on the following substances according to their pH into three groups: 7, more than 7, less than 7. Common salt potassium bromide, their pH is equal to 7, means these are neutral compounds. Sodium acetate, calcium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, ammonia, they have pH more than 7. Hydrochloric acid, carbon dioxide, ammonium chloride, vinegar, sulfur dioxide, their aqueous solution have pH less than 7. So we have completed the exercise based on lesson number 5, acids, bases and salts. I will uh, provide you a PDF file of this exercise. Complete all the questions and answers Write down in a proper sequence and keep your copy up to date. Thank you.